In the ever-evolving world of technology, AI has made significant strides. Will it replace human designers? Let's explore 5 points. Creativity. Design is more than aesthetics. It requires emotions, cultural context, and user experience. But AI lacks that human touch of intuition and personal experiences. Emotional intelligence. Design makes us feel things and connect with them. Although AI can study patterns, but can never understand how a human feels. Collaboration. Design is a teamwork. Human designers work together, share their ideas, and modify based on their feedback. AI can definitely help, but it cannot replace the creative collaboration and the teamwork humans can do. Design judgment. Designers can make smart choices based on client preferences, market trends, and user needs. Although AI can generate several options, but it cannot really match the human decision-making skill. Adaptability. Designing covers various areas like industrial designing, graphic designing, fashion designing, and so many more. Human beings can easily adapt through different origins, blend influences to find a unique solution. But on the other hand, AI lacks that versatility. While AI has an important role in design, it's unlikely to replace humans completely. Do you think that AI can replicate these human qualities?
Let us know in the comment section and do not forget to follow Brainium.